We're in Portland, Oregon right now, posture, balance, and motion. I've done the same seminar before in Edmonton where I just went by myself and learned a lot of stuff, but realized once I got back to my clinic, I wasn't going to be the one who's putting all that into practice. I came back again, and this time I brought all my staff. We're getting everybody on board, and I'm going to be able to send patients to them to take that part of the treatment over.
I'm going to be doing the exercises in the mornings. We have someone who's taking over in the afternoons, Colton. Then I will be doing seminars around the community to educate people that posture is important and why that is important. So as you age, you need to move well so that you can continue to move well as you age.
It's been a busy weekend, but it's been really, really good. The systems that we're learning are exactly that. It's a system that we can go in and start to teach the next day that we're in the clinic. And I'm excited to start it.
Not only do I feel better after this weekend, but I am, like him, so excited to get in and implement the structures and the systems, because I can just see how it's going to rocket our patients' wellness forward. They're going to be excited about it, and I feel like I've got the language to use now.
It's a step-by-step process. There's protocols in place, and we can just follow those.
We can clearly communicate what patients will need in order to take that home and include that into their daily activities. Fantastic. Do it.